Hello everyone, welcome to another video. Alright, so yesterday my son actually sent me his design and asking me to help him on how he can build this UI. Let me show you what he sent. So in this video, I will convert this design into Xamarin Form. So without further ado, let's create our Xamarin Form right now. And before that, you can see here he use bottom navbar, which is we can use shell. So let's create our Xamarin Form. Next, I'm going to name is UI design friend, because yeah, it's my friend after all. So Xamarin project create, and then I'm going to choose shell. Alright, so after that, what I'm going to do next is, since that I'm going to work with Android, I'm going to import the icon into as a resource folder, but I'm not going to do the same on iOS because I don't have a Mac OS connected to my computer. So let's take a look on the icon. So I have the icon here, but I'm just going to drag it into drawable folder right here. So all of these into drawable. Alright, so I'm going to rename it as, this one is Mac, this one is maybe just group, this one is profile. Alright, and then what next is I'm going to delete this model and all the service because I don't need it. I might need this one, but we're going to create a new one. So delete all of this. Also on the view, I might recycle off of this. So let's delete this one. I think just delete everything and we start from scratch. But I won't delete this app shell because what I'm going to do is, instead of delete, I'm just going to alter this one. So as you can see on the design, we have 3 item on the navbar. So I'm going to add another one over here. Of course, we don't have any view yet. And then we have the icon, which is first one is, let's take a look on the design, place list. So the name that I give is group. And then second is map. And the third one is profile. Alright, and then let's create a page. So first we need to create a page for this one. And this one doesn't have a navbar. Alright, let's take a look on this folder and create a new item content page named as start page. So it's actually pretty simple. What I'm going to do is I'm going to create another view model. So this view model start view model, make it public, and then I make a constructor. Alright, after that, going back to the start page over here. Oh, before that, let's take a look on app xaml.cs, and you can see our main page is currently shell. But first, let's delete the definition space because we don't have it anymore. So you can see our main page is the app shell, but we actually, the first page is not a app shell, so we are going to delete this. Instead, I'm going to make a new page as a new start page. New start page. Okay, actually, I think that's just a new start page. So let's take a look. Okay, of course it won't be working because in app shell we have the uncreated page. So I'm going to comment first. Alright. Alright. Let me demo first. So Xamarin Form, maybe. So yes, as you can see, now our main page is our start page. And then let's design our start page first. So in this design, we can see uh, we have a picture here, and then we have two buttons. So let's make this one first. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to wrap it on grid, and then I'm going to make a stack layout over here, two stack layout, and then in this stack layout I'm going to create a frame. Before that, make sure margin 0 and padding 0. So frame, this frame, padding 0, margin also 0. After that, I'm going to make image source, and then I'm going to put the source here. So I'm going to go to pixel.com, and then how about kampung? I don't know. It's okay. Kampung actually. Alright, not available. What about maybe Malaysia? Alright, so I'm going to use this picture. Copy image address, and I'm going to paste it here. Delete all the parameter, and then aspect fill. Aspect fill. Alright, so save. Let's reflect on your Xamarin. So as you can see over here, it reflect it, but we need it to be a full screen. So what I'm going to do next is, but before that, we need to adjust the frame also. So what I'm going to do is make a vertical option to fill the entire screen. How about fill and expand? Yeah, alright. So now we have this as a background, this picture as a background. We need to put some sort of we need to dim the picture. So what I'm going to do is actually on the stack layout, I'm going to make a background color as a black, and then on a frame I'm going to make a opacity to maybe 0.5. So you can see this is the trick that I use to make a picture darker. So I think this is too dark. Let's make to 0.7. Alright, next is we need to create a button and a label. So what I'm going to create is, on second stack layout, I'm going to make another stack layout, and then in here I'm going to make a label, text, welcome to Kampung Baru. Font size to large, font color white, and then font attribute bold. So let's take a look. So here we can see over here, but I need it to be center. So horizontal, option, centers, and expand. And then I need to make it, maybe put a margin until it's reached here. So create a margin. So I need a margin top. So 0, maybe 15, 0, 0. So I need more, maybe 35. I need more. So 85. I think this maybe 105. And then the font I set to 20. Alright, I think this look good to me. Let's create a button over down here. So I'm create another stack layout for a button. But in here, instead of in here, I'm going to set the vertical option to N. And then create a button, text name, let's say the design, explore, and about. Alright. So explore, background color. Let's take a look on the background color. This is white color. So white. And the text color. Oops. Text color to black. Alright. So let's take a look. So we have here actually, but okay, instead of N, I need to put N and expand. So it will push to down. And set the margin to 10. I make another button. Name about. And then the background color is, let's take a look in here. So I'm going to copy the hexadecimal. And then the color of text is white. So let's take a look. So we have the two buttons over here. So next part is, they have a corner. So it's a corner button. So I'm going to put this corner radius parameter to 15. Same goes to the down. And then I'm going to put margin to maybe 0, 0, 0, maybe 10. So maybe I put 30 each, so it will be more round. Alright, so we actually done in the start page. So the next page is we need to create a 3 shell navigation bar on navigation page, so we can navigate to the shell content. So let's create a 3 page over here. So view, add item, content page, and then I create a view model for all the 3 pages. Alright, and then next part is I'm going to create a command make sure to include the Xamarin Form namespace, then name to go to shell. Alright, actually this cannot be in the constructor. And then after that, go to shell, new command, and then give your function name, go to, and I'm going to hover to go to, go to nav. Alright, and then I'm going to hover on go to nav and generate the method, and then this one. Alright, the next part is I'm going to app shell over here, and then uncomment and item page, change to list page, map page, and another one is profile page. After that, what we are going to do is go to our start view model and then implement. So I'm going to make add dot current dot main page equal to add app shell, new add shell. Alright, so we're done over here. Go to start page and then create a command over here, binding, or before that we need to bind the view model. So content page dot binding context, so view model, name start view model, and then add the XML and S, and then bind, then go to shell. So let's test our app. Okay, let's click explore. So right now we have this kind of navigation, which is we have all this thing, but we need to remove the app shell bar, and then we need to change the color. So let's do this. First, on this page, I'm going to put shell dot has navbar has shadow to true, and then shell dot navbar is visible to false. I don't think we need navbar shadow, so remove it, and then when I save, it will remove the navbar. And next we need to change the color. So go to app shell, and then you can see here the color for primary navigation. So I'm going to change to white, so it's already turned to white right now. And then we need to change the selected color. So selected color is white, so I'm going to change to, let's see on the design, so this one, we'll change the value. Also title color, Still doesn't tag by title color, foreground. Okay, foreground, and also tag by title color. Alright, but we also need to change the the unselected color. So dark gray. Alright, so after that, go to the list page, and first I'm going to change the background color. Oops. Background color to gray, to dark. What I'm going to do is I'm going to put this color, right, this color. So alright, go to me, and then the next part is what I'm going to do. What we are going to do is make this list so we can use the collection view, but I'm only going to create this design but not the collection view, so you can add yourself after this. So let's make a title, and then this one. So let's make another stack layout, and another, okay, I don't need another stack layout over here actually. You can have the collection view wrap into this. You can wrap the second stack layout inside the collection view, so like this, collection view, and then item template, data template. You can actually refer to my older tutorial, but for now I'm just going to create a stack layout. So in this first stack layout, I'm going to create a label. You actually doesn't need to make a stack layout, but I love to wrap a label into a stack layout, so just do it. So the name is nearby plates. So nearby plates, and then text color dark gray, font size large, font attribute bold. Alright, so you can have it. I think I'm going to change to black, and then I'm going to create a margin, maybe 10, and maybe 15, 0, and 0. Alright, so after that, on the stack layout over here, we need to create a margin of 10, and then next is we need to create a frame, so we can put this green frame over here. So let's first create a frame. Background color, let's take a look at our background color, and then the padding to 0, high request 200, and then horizontal option to fill and expand. So let's take a look. So you have this one. It's too. I'm going to put a margin of 0 first, and then change the high request to maybe 150. Too high, maybe 70. not too high. So 90 might be alright. 90 looks just good. So I'm also going to put a corner radius of 10. Alright, and then next part is we are going to put some image inside. So I'm going to, you can create a grid, but I won't use grid for now. So for that, let's pin our emulator. Alright, maybe we need more. Alright, this one looks good for me. So I'm going to create another stack layout inside it. And then what next is I'm going to make an orientation of horizontal, and then make another stack layout. Actually, I'm going to create a two stack layout over here. And one is horizontal option of start, and another one is horizontal horizontal option with and aspect. So inside here, I'm going to put another frame. Before that, we need to make the padding of 0, and then frame margin 0 and padding 0, and then height request of maybe 50, and then width request of also 50. So we need to get it inside here. What I'm going to do is make margin of 10. Alright, 50 is too small, maybe 70. Alright, then margin to 15. I think we need to margin top actually. So margin top of maybe 20, or it's easier if we put the horizontal, or actually vertical option of center and aspect. Alright, so the next part is, okay, this is not we need to put more request, maybe 90. Alright, so yeah, look pretty similar. Maybe I need more high, so high 90, and the high we request 210. Okay, after that, on the second stack layout, I'm going to put a label, 3 label. So label number 1, text to name as pintu gerbang kampung baru. So pintu gerbang kampung baru, text color to white, and then font size to large, font attribute to bold. So let's take a look. Yeah, but we had a problem because this font is too big. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to change to medium. But we still had a problem here. Frame 10, and I'm going to make a margin to 0. Oops. So you can see here, we actually had some margin. Oh, I see. So we don't need this margin, but we need to put in here. So margin 10. 10 is too big, maybe 8. Alright, this good. This looks good for me. But we will have a problem if this title goes too long. Okay, to fix this problem, we can use a grid layout. So I'm going to use a grid layout. So I'm going to delete this one and grab it into a grid layout. This is a better approach. So you can see here, but we also had a problem over here, and we are going to fix using a grid. So what we are going to do is make a grid dot row definition, and then we make a 2-row definition, which is, well, actually we need a column definition. Dot column definition, column definition, and then column definition. We first is maybe 2, and then another column definition, we is this one, right? And then this stack layout, I'm going to put a grid dot column to 0. Okay, but we have a problem here. I doesn't know how actually this one works. So let's take a look. Okay, so I'm going to delete this horizontal end and horizontal start. So this one maybe 2. 2 is to 1.5, I guess. So you can read this solve our problem earlier. So the next part is we are going to create another label for this two. So label, one is 21 km, too small, and then the text color is green, forest green, and then this one to also small, and I delete the font attribute parameter. Alright, so let's change this. Alright, but I also need to maybe 18. How about 15? Okay, I think this is better than before. And then the next part is Okay, we actually will continue on another video for this to UI. I'm going to skip this one because this is pretty simple. And on the next video, we are going to create this to interface. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and like. And don't forget to click the notification bell for a new video. Bye bye.